Kevin, apart from being my son, he was my friend. We were very, very, very close. We used to flow with each other so easily, joking. We supported different teams. So every time he would enjoy me if my team lost, and I would enjoy him if Manchester United lost. If he was alive today, he would be so happy because Manchester won last night.
Kevin was a valued member of our commercial team within the group. His contribution to the company was exemplary, and he had a certain style that left an indelible mark on whoever had the privilege of working alongside him.
Our vibrant team comedian with an infectious laugh brought joy to our agency team. His humor and collaborative spirit made him a cherished team player. Mondays echoed with his football banter, especially if Manu triumphed. To his close friends, the playful "oh no" texts were inevitable, especially for us Arsenal and Chelsea fans. You know yourselves even after yesterday's.